Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I've got a really cool one to show you that's short and sweet but can be very powerful, and that is using the power of the Gemini app connecting to your Gmail to help you organize and sort and prioritize your emails, maybe even get you down to zero inbox if you repetitively use this. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to the bottom left corner of our screen. We're going to click on that little gear icon. We're going to go into Connected Apps. This will bring up the Connected App screen, and from here you want to make sure that on the upper right corner of the Workspace box, that is toggled and enabled. Once that's enabled, let's get back to the screen and do a new chat. All right, so now that we got our new prompt ready to go, we just want to double check and make sure that the default model, fast, is set there to the right side of the screen. Then we're going to come into the prompt bar to the left. I'm going to use my @ symbol and add GM for Gmail and specifically call it out so it doesn't look through all those other Workspace apps. Then for the sake of time, I'm just going to paste in my prompt. I want Gemini to help me categorize my last 30 emails into a dynamic view, group them by project, summarize the current status of each, and present them as interactive project cards with high, medium, and low priority tags. Are we ready? Okay, let's go to the paper airplane icon and click on that, and let's see what she does. So it's connecting to my Workspace, connecting to Gmail, and based on those last 30 emails, it's categorized them into project groups and presented them in a little bit of a couple of different views here. So first off, we have a export to sheets option, so more of a table view. And I can see my coworkers have done some things, assigned some things, and all of that good stuff with priority to the left, high and medium. If I scroll on down, it looks like we have some webinar series and knowledge management stuff to work with. Medium, medium, low tells me the project card summary. Scrolling down a little bit more, some miscellaneous items. What makes this interactive? Well, if we look to the right of each of these results, we will see an option to be able to click on a link, see what emails are connected to those, and immediately start working with that card. So I just wanted to show you that. I thought that was a really cool and powerful prompt that you can utilize within the Gemini app to help you out with maybe a little spring cleaning for grouping your emails, summarizing them, the content of, and all of that good stuff, all in one nice, neat place, saving you summarizing maybe even each email as well. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update, or in this case, a really cool Gemini thing. And look out for another one that I got coming soon. It's going to be pretty powerful too. Take care, everyone, and have a great rest of the day. This is Gary the Google Guy, Triple G, signing off, signing out.